Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. As the screen says, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video today. It's Saturday. No, it's not Saturday, it's Monday because I always like doing laundry on Saturday, but this weekend was so hectic. I didn't even do anything except laundry. I didn't clean my house. I was just cooking, relaxing, and going up and down. On Saturday, we had a small ceremony somewhere. It was a family gathering, a traditional ceremony of some sort. And some of the things are done because of the beliefs around people. We have different beliefs. Some are Christian, even though when people are Christian, there are some traditional things that they follow. So we went to some kind of a traditional ceremony, and it turned out to be something very, very beautiful. We ended up like we were in a party. It was such a nice, beautiful Saturday traditional ceremony. Yeah, I cannot go into details with that because it's other people's business. We were at the other side of our grandma's. Then yeah, we were dancing, all that, only family gathered. It was such a beautiful Saturday. So I was tired when I come back. We left there around 6. I arrived at home at 7 o'clock. Then I slept. I just had a bath and slept because like my stomach was full. There was nothing that I could do from filling up my stomach with that food. And the food was nice, guys. The food was nice. I have a welcoming family. I do have a loving family. I do not complain when I go to my family. Both sides, my mother's side, my father's side, they are such a blast. So we have that kind of family in our family. Yeah, let me just say in our family. So the only thing that I could do was laundry on Sunday. Lorna, I was just forcing myself because I was just tired and I can't let it go over another week. I started doing this around 9 o'clock. Yeah, I went to my mother's place at 9 o'clock, then started doing this laundry. After the laundry, I bathed my son, and my daughter also had a bath. Then we had to go to a wedding. It was a hectic weekend. My father's side of the family, we had a wedding. Then I had to go there. But because I was tired, I didn't even last long. They started late also. One other thing that I do not appreciate is when people start things very late, especially on a Sunday, when people are still going to have a long distance to travel to their places back to where they come from. Imagine this guy was marrying from, they said it's from Raskukuni, Danielton or somewhere there. But they started very late, so now I had to go because like I was just tired, guys. I'm not being bad vibey or something, but when it's time to go, I can feel my body doesn't even agree to do whatever I will be doing or whatever I want to do. When it's time to go, I just go. And I'm one person who doesn't even being controlled by the situation or by things that are happening around me. If I have to go home, I just go. I remember the other time I attended a baby shower. Imagine baby shower in Pretoria. Went from Polokwane to Pretoria. 4 o'clock I was leaving Polokwane, and then I arrived there around 8 o'clock. No, I was not leaving Polokwane. I left Polokwane around 5:30. 4 o'clock I was waking up. Guys, why am I lying? It was a long time, I forgot. So 5:30 I left Polokwane. When I say left Polokwane, I mean I was getting out of town, not my home. So home I left already from 5. Then I arrived there at 8 o'clock. I was there at my friend's place. She was having the second born that time, so she had a baby shower that time. Then I had to go. I told myself 5 o'clock I have to leave, regardless of it's being hot, nice, or blasty, or monate. Like, I have to go. I'm not gonna be controlled by monate or mabusi that will be happening. No, I am a disciplined person with time. So yeah, I'm just like that. We started like around 11, then 5 o'clock. I told them I am leaving. I have to be in Polokwane latest by 9 o'clock. At least in that way, I will have time to rest for the whole night. Guys, traveling in and out of Pretoria, it wasn't my first time, but I was on my own that time. So I had to just relax on the road and have it nicely and arrive home nicely. People were just amazed and surprised that you just left Polokwane for just a baby shower. I told them it's not just a baby shower. This is my friend we are talking about. Even now, this year, there was a gender reveal. One of my friends, they were in Pretoria and they had a gender reveal. I couldn't go because kuyanyukela, guys, it's going up. The economy is just flat. So I just sent my gift card and she was so appreciative, and the English is going south now. She appreciated and called and said, no, I understand, my friend. Things are just very hard financially. So yeah, I thank you for the gift. And when I see the photos, I could see that, wow, only me was left. There was only one person who was left in terms of friends, because Sibongile, my friend, was there, and me also should be there. But this time it was too much in terms of finances, but I really wanted to be there. So guys, I am that friend that go all out. If we are attached and I see that I value our friendship, I do go all out. I do go all out. And I go all out to people who go all out for me. Yeah, but I'm not expecting you. I'm not doing things because I'm expecting you to do things in return. No. I do go all out, and fortunately, my friends go all out for me also. Yeah, guys, the laundry was not that much, and I finished so early. Then I went and hanged it, which I'm not gonna show it here on this video because I wasn't having it all. I was not having it all. All I wanted to do was just to finish and rest. Didn't even sweep, didn't even do anything in the house in terms of cleaning. Even now, at the time of doing this the voiceover, it's Monday. I'm gonna publish it now. It's Monday. The house is dirty, very dirty. I even bought flowers on Friday. I thought I will unpack them on video, on camera, but I couldn't. Guess what? I unpacked them now. I removed the plastic, that wrap around thing. Now in the morning, like now before I come to work, I just said, the camera thing it's gone. I couldn't do it. And yeah, I just left it there. I put it in the vase. Then they are nice. I bought them from Checkers. They were 60 rand, guys. If you look around, you will find beautiful flowers, and they are very cheap. I think they will be in a video which will be coming, I don't know when, because right now this is my last content in the phone. Normally I do my content over the weekend, but yeah, since I had up and down throughout Saturday and Sunday, I couldn't do anything except laundry. So yeah, guys, I hope you're still enjoying. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And have you bought your kids' Christmas clothes? Have you managed to buy everything? Because on my side, my son is sorted. My daughter is demanding. There's these shoes that are new in the market. They called them Converse Run, what. They're still new with a thicker sole. She wants those things, and I can't even find her size. They are costing at 1,800. I can't even find the size she's wearing, size 4. All I find is size 6, from size 6. And she wants them black, but I find white or boots. She wants half the side, half the shoe that is coming to the ankle, not the boot one. Yeah. So are you done? I'm struggling with my daughter's shoes. And she says the clothes are not enough. I'm telling her, guy, I'm telling her, I will buy you shoes. I will buy you other clothes. Let's fix the school thing. Because she's changing her school. She's going to grade 8 and she's changing the school. Everything is new. So I need to sort the school out, which I have sorted. But only the blazer. I bought everything except the blazer. I'll be buying the blazer and will be sorted also. So I told her, let's fix the school things first, do the stationery, then we will go and top up your clothes. It's not like there's nothing at all. No, there are a pair of jeans, the tops, the dresses and all that. Only the shoes needs to be sorted. There's nothing from to her side. There's nothing, but the son is sorted, and yeah, he was excited. I have let them go to pick up on their own, choose whatever they like, because kids of nowadays, you can't choose for themselves. They will disappoint you and tell you that they don't like them. Then the admin of returning and exchanging, I don't want that. So I just take my kids and go with them to the shops. Just like that, so that I get my life easy with them. So you guys, I hope you're still here. And I hope you liked this video. If you haven't, guys, please do so. And I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.